How to add Gboard shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down and tap on Gboard Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Dictionary. Then tap on Personal Dictionary. Then tap on the language. Next, tap on the Add button. In here, put in the word that you want to create the shortcut. So here I can put in, say, be right back. Okay, and then here I can put in BBB as a shortcut, and then tap on the checkbox right here, or the check symbol, and this will save the shortcut. So now I go back to my keyboard. If I want to quickly use that shortcut, I can tap on the B button here, or type in BBB, and it says be right back. And that's it. So that's how you can create and save a Gboard keyboard shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.